In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of a logo in Weebly in just 5 minutes. Now, if you're managing your website's design on Weebly and want to adjust the logo size for a better fit or new look, follow along closely. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly's official site, where you can either create a new website or log into your existing account. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, click on Login located at the top right corner. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you have your credentials keyed in, click the login button to access your dashboard. From here, you'll be directed to the overview page, which is kind of your central hub for your website management. Now locate and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you to the main editing interface where you can make all sorts of changes to your website's layout and content. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is crucial because we'll need this section to modify the components of our page, including the logo. Next, go to the header section of your website where you see My Website displayed. Click on this header and you should notice that a toolbar appears. This toolbar will allow you to interact with the elements of your header. From here, look for the logo option. Click on it to begin editing your logo. You should see your logo and some editing tools now appear. To adjust the size of your logo, click on Edit. This will bring up further options. You'll then click on Crop, which will enable you to directly manipulate the logo size. In this crop mode, you should see icons at the top left and bottom right corners of your logo. Use these icons to resize your logo to your desired dimensions by clicking and dragging. This allows you to customize the logo size precisely so that it fits well with the rest of your site design. Once you're satisfied with how your logo looks, click on the back icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. It's important to always save your changes, so finally click on Save to ensure your new logo size is applied and your work is not lost. And that's it. Your logo should now be resized to your liking, perfectly complementing the rest of your site layout. Take a moment to preview your changes and make sure everything looks just right. If necessary, you can always go back and tweak the size again following these simple steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now a step closer to having the perfect website.